Want a real, practical way to earn extra income using ChatGPT without scams, hype, or fake automation? Here's how people are using AI tools ethically to build legit digital services online. Step 1. Pick one niche. People already pay for things like cold emails, short-form scripts, resumes, or ad copy. Don't chase trends. Pick a real problem and learn how to solve it with skill, not shortcuts. Step 2. Use ChatGPT as your creative assistant. Have it help you draft 10 pieces of work, maybe 5 emails, 3 ad hooks, 2 short video scripts. Then you edit, brand, and improve them. You stay in control. AI helps you go faster, but you are the creative one. Step 3. Package your work as a digital service. Post it on Fiverr, Upwork, or Etsy for digital files, or Gumroad. Prices vary. Some people charge $30, others $200. The more skill you develop, the more you can charge. There's no guarantee of income. It depends on effort, demand, and marketing, but it's a real, legal online business model. Step 4. Reinvest some earnings into ads or outreach. Use ChatGPT to help you write messages to potential clients. Track your responses, learn what works, and double down on the things that bring results. Bonus tip: offer custom AI-enhanced packages. Businesses love fast, smart solutions. Just be upfront that AI assists the process, and that you personally review and polish everything before delivery. The bottom line: this is not a get-rich-quick thing. It's about learning a skill, using AI tools to save time, and building something sustainable. When you focus on real value, results come from effort, not luck. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It's not financial, legal, or income advice. Results depend on your effort, skill, and market conditions. Always follow your local tax and business laws when selling digital services. Pick one niche. Create 5 offers. Take action tonight. Execution beats perfection every time. And yeah, subscribe for more practical, no-hype AI content that actually helps you build real skills.